I don't give a fuck. Divorce me did married. You not even know. Blood clot, when you pay for it. I mean, I'm a birthday for the church. So if I'm married, yeah. We have to see it back to the we move, because I never moved the first time the one of that planet. One of that, you stand up at the gate and the BMW they cross the road and I never buy a vehicle, you know. So
Wagwan my people, welcome back to Drama Official TV. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and to all the returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. So people, wanna watch the video, yeah.
Bad focus. Who that?
Me.
Kayla Lee.
Yeah.
Come show them if you go buy your food. This one no one blood clot, say. A blood clot. Yeah. Whether if the man want me or blood, you not go tell him I love him. What money that? What money if you full up a jam view?
650 for chicken and chips.
You can eat the big one. Buy the small and buy one drinks. Hold this here. And your mama, come here, hold this. And I want to go and say that your mama chant and a chant. I say, God bless you. I say, all the same, she's so old. Go show him, now come show this. Go tell Akim I love him. Regardless. One go spam and say Rose love you. Okay. Yeah, cause sometimes I'm gonna rid of my office and just pay the bill. Yeah, that's what that's for me. Find somebody can blow me nose, galley. Hey, oi! Open me door, I want to see where I park. The dumpy them I pass in here. One go buy your phone and see where you buy. Try to look 2 live goal.
one duffy in a sir.
Yeah.
One.
Owen!
What? Oh, I'm not even 2 feet in a sir now. And you bomb up that me come Fling sit after me and police. So I swear say I mean the police them come for.
So she left, she divorced you?
I don't give a fuck. Divorce me did married. You not even know. Blood clot, when you pay for it. I mean, I'm a birthday for the church. So if I'm married, yeah. We have to see it back to the we move, because I never moved the first time the one of that planet. One of that, you stand up at the gate and the BMW they cross the road and I never buy a vehicle, you know. So she leave
the BMW?
No. You're mad. Are you mad? You're sick.
But look how me that girl tear up tonight.
Me? You run and me start run to blood clot, hey.
So she leave the BMW?
No. June, if that did go on the run and me start run, would I end up at town?
Will I kill her tonight?
I done business.
No, because me can't live from one problem to next. Come here, Owen. No, you can't see me part look a piece of carrot the way you want. But I come from the blood clot shop because the AC never work. I'm going to get the AC fixed today.
If I come out here and tonight, I can't really go sleep out.
Come here, she can't put you out. Pass the alcohol give me.
I put out myself. Response? All the baby father come show up him hand in my face since night.
You're spitting at Jake's face.
When I see him, you know. Because him is not my... No, him is not my topic now the night, yeah. What is? Him is
so you have money?
Most. I mean, no one for them money.
You have money?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Huh?
You broke?
Like dog.
But I got drink blood clot this thing coming on a nice in here. Alright.
Yeah, me don't make up.
Don't make no more pussy clot nice. No matter drink this safe in the morning. What you buy? Put this in your pocket.
I run me that drink, mama. No, me did that drink. That's the me I go buy.
You not gonna do this sweet blood clot, you know. Cause when you drink, I say you operate, behave, because if them little like that, you have to lock them up, alright?
The area.
Put this in your pocket and see money for buy liquor. You took up 5 bills on your so.
No.
You sure? No, you're not thief me. We take up.
Nothing, me just show them. Come on.
Come in, you're not thief. Me know you're not thief me. Come here. Me can't trust you, me can't trust them. This time, how much you rum?
You want rum?
No, I drink Magnum already.
Oh. Half last minute bit. It done. I want more drink.
Left.
Yeah.
So what you want?
Me next half last me good.
How much you got?
$1,000.
You have tracer?
Yeah.
You have tracer?
Yeah.
You have tracer?
Yes.
What is that? I told her, your wife going in an argument.
Doing more with foreign.
I come and say, Father Ing. See money, I can't go buy where you buy. We don't want a nice in here. We don't want a nice. Blood clot, yeah. I don't want to go put you out. Oi! Oi, sir! One body blood clot when I want to see out of my eye.
Oh, sorry, mama. Because a while ago, if me never do so, the amount of back will come at me at the gate.
So none of the carrying at all?
No.
Don't tell me no lie, you know?
Never tell a lie.
Oh. I got examine the car later. If one catch it, me and I'm a murder. Huh? You can live in my car out the door with the AC fix. You go sleep like. I have back him nasty blood clot, yes. You know, see that. I owe so much blood clot people are there, so. Hold on there. If that's what I make, I'm food in the blood clot kitchen for cook. I cook some soup tonight. I got song with 6,000 because I can't get too well. Try to look some on the board. So you can't get 2 more wheel chat. You can't get 2 more wheel chat. Then come here and make me on a reason liquor. I'm going to chat them because them always chat me. Them in here right now, I vanish. She wake up this morning and say, her mom on a call and tell her happy birthday. And she class her niece, them or them handicap. And she go down in her gravy. Them never some man them not stay with Ivan to them. Cause the man take 2 fuck out. The man take 2 fuck out her hole and not use her. But when I look on and tell them sad and the person are cocky, you know. If it's a joke, you know, cause them walk and use them, take that money and buy fuck. So me here, so some of them want to scream and I look. When I go tell her I say happy birthday, cause mama not tell her it, nor her man. That not nothing to do with me. Remember them living in my shadow. When I go tell her I say Rose say happy birthday before 12. She can't feel like she's smarty, please. Try to look too live goal. Try to look too live goal. One want me for the one. You got them sort of 5.5k. Everybody up here look. We can't get 2 last live goal. I want to go twin post. Can I let the board one treasure dime? Can we come here later and call tonight? Let us say we want treasure dime and call tonight. Thank you, Boo. Chris Future, you call him one lion. All him wicked, you see. No man fuck on you, no man so no mean. I like highlight. Your black blood clot, you straight up on your so. I never saw Chris Rosealee say 1 3 is a fire no blood clot live. Every time you go in at the blood clot, you ask to see him. They might give all them set to them torment. That's why I'm coming for me look on him, you know. Coke up in again and more post. Stacey and me, I'm mute, you know, like, enter the dance. I'm mute, Stacey and... Just I said, like, if I put it back, if I ever come on the program, I even 2 money gun. They keep laughing in your mind. I sell laughter. When she said that money gun, I mute her. Alright. You come here with money. You're one of the wicked ones that come and I'm going to get all the money. Eh? Stephen said me 1 month, me unmute you. Send you like glass slippers. Send me 1 month, me unmute you. You peer. For type. Send me 1 month, me unmute you. Good mouth. Good old. Coco Ben here. Me unmute you like because she do man. Send me a blood clot money gun. Come here, classic, me niece. Classic boy. Come here, wife. I can see her like glass slippers. Bye. Karen on the lady at all. Well, we Karen on the lady. Chop, I look too something for go up there. I look too live goal. A 4,000. No. I look too live goal. Come on, the donut, them is cheap. Everybody can't participate. Come on, the donut, them chat, it's cheap. Everybody can't participate. Come on, the donut, them chat, it's cheap. Everybody can't participate. Come on, the donut, everybody can't participate. It's cheap. I'm going to talk to a story. It's cheap. Come on, some donut chat, it's cheap. Come on, them. I follow 2 good pussy girl. Anybody who send me 100 donut, I follow them. Anybody who send me 100 donut, I follow them. Any individual who send me 100 donut, I go give them a follow. Any individual who send me 100 donut, I give them a follow. You go block your face and you come out and me program it. Don't program me. I mean, hey, a back road, I go when me ready, you know, Shelly and focus. Send me 100, I give you a follow, you know, I follow you. Me not things in about sometimes me go like me are things when I feel like when me under rum that mean influence. Like sometimes we don't really so good. But under influence we do it. I follow blood clot Cinderella with the glass slippers. I try to follow about 50 times Cinderella in a blood clot. Favor let me so say when you come from work, remember. In that depression I come out. Mr. German we do Favor let me something a favor. Let me some auntie. Chat well, anybody who say me 100 don't want to follow them. Anybody who say me 100 don't want to follow. Dance kitchen let me something auntie. Me throw back paranoid. It nah use. It paranoid. It afraid. Anybody who say me 100 don't want to follow them. Me throw